the accommodation at Habitat is world class.
Honestly.
I tell somebody, say, one of my friends will come and say, okay, let me take you to Habitat. As they try to go say, which bush will they go now? I said, no, where we are going to, if we reach there, you know, like a bush, no problem. Say it is a GRA hotel built in Rumalogo.
In the bush.
No, the Rumalogo don't open up now. When we've been there in the port? When we've been there in the port? How they are in a bush now?
All the houses
now they are fantastic place.
I'm telling you.
Beautiful place, fine houses. It's open all through. So, as a matter of fact, when I carry the guy reach the Habitat, he said, this guy hotel there here. Do you know that he has been coming to Port Harcourt on his own without telling me now? Habitat, they go straight, they never even talk to anybody.
They try, and their swimming pool always clean, always neat,
and big swimming pool.
Olympic size.
Their gym.
Oh.
There, if you're in the gym.
Now there I get this apple.
No wonder your body increase.
Now there I go do this.
I think come to this if you come and speak English.
Now two pack and it's not a 6 pack.
It's not a packer.
Now,
and you know, Michael, have you seen the generator? They bought the biggest generator
that can carry the whole
community. And now they said they are preparing for the other side that they are building. I was there when they came to deliver the generator.
Wow.
You reach the crane will carry them heavy, be like the generator times 4, or else if you don't carry them. No, they are doing well.
So Habitat Hotel.
Light matter is over for them. They don't even need transformer. Now they need trans generator.
they need transgender.
They don't need. Also,
so for Habitat Hotel, we want to say
thank you very much for 2017.
2017.
Also, no, we also call the manager, Collins. You did well.
Collins, you have been trying.
And all the people there.
You have been trying, but
there's a but.
There's a but. Let's leave it for now. Today is thank you day.
Yes, we'll leave it. Collins, you have been trying. Collins, but B-U-T. But
so now, as a matter of fact, we say very big thank you to Habitat Hotel.
And all the staffs, and all the ladies in front, the staff, caddies. What they call those people?
Please, next year, let there be change. Change the handling come. You let them change, remain 50.
Don't say you're big man now, so you come to go, say, Oga, you need this change.
If you say, there is something about saying something. If by 2017 you are not saying it, 2018,
say it.
Please.
Say it.
Start saying things
from your mind.
From your mind. Oga, change now 100 naira. You know the brother keep on for you.
Now one say I go say for yes, I see I go say Oga, please this year. Any change when you know see, make you know say now from 100 naira down. So nobody bother to ask me again.
There is a POS there too.
Yes.
So
that's the only way you will not allow people to cheat you.
They cannot collect change.
By right, and we don't get that culture for Nigeria here. By right, if you go hotel, they serve you all those things. You tip is official.
It's official
in America. In fact, developed world, tip is official.
Yeah,
the man will stand there, they look you.
Tipper.
If you carry your bag enter the room on AC, on TV,
they wait for tip.
On unnecessary to say you go, they say, do you want the window open or close? Leave them, man. Just keep the bag go your way. It consign you. The guy go to on things. All those things is on it. It's for a purpose.
So
let us.
What if I don't want this? Mingo.
What if this is walk where? They call the pour water.
I'll call them.
They come to call them.
Well, as you want to go, I can't say water they pour. I don't go still call them. They carry one and go. Make it not be like.
So let
the AC when person don't sabi on. You know, I don't go on the hotel. I don't know why they on the AC because the remote.
But this is when you talk.
They did not get remote. They did not get remote. Meanwhile, the button. What
man of hotel is that?
What did they call that button? Touch screen. The button are touch screen.
Okay.
And look, I don't see switch.
Nothing.
I don't see remote.
Something they code.
The one where you go touch now touch screen. Without a print, the thing go. And so me and they look at like decoration. The thing they like decoration.
Now so I go one commissioner house for Bayelsa. We go shoot one small short film. We enter the house very cold. Who come they look? Waiting they cold. I know they see AC. I go look outside. No, this thing compressor fast. Waiting they happen. Come inside back. I can't ask you style. Ask the man pikin make I no form my hand. Say your AC is working fine. Oh. The boy just answer yes. But show me the thing. Would the thing just be like frame? Be like they just hang am for wall. Now yeah, this thing they cold. Now kukuma close shape for eye. I beg. we're on a AC. The first laugh me, but they say they ask question, not the loss. So as I ask now, I don't know. Next time,
You are
if I enter somewhere, I see him, I don't say okay.
Kule, you remind me of one nonsense hotel. No be hotel.
I mean, I AC.
One nonsense Ogunabale man. So they can away from Ogunabale. We travel go abroad. Now the man they tell us the story by himself. That was how I knew this man a nonsense man. He entered toilet for airport. Doing business finish inside the toilet.
On the final.
If I were to flush, he knows. He knows where to flush. He look, nowhere to flush. The next person, he just
What did it?
because things maybe he enter the one with the net where no good. Where they walk. Now he come, look, meanwhile the thing when do food there. You know, all these people they chop free food. Give me extra food. Not if you enter international flight. You fit call for this many times. They will they give you, except alcohol. They will they give alcohol, rich stop.
No, stop.
Igbo boys they travel. You see how they stop air hostess plane. Now, this guy, now open up the guy, taking our wife, they outside. Now, instead of him to find in one commando,
But you know if you go.
in one leave what he do there. I see try the door no agree open. Door way him.
We lock.
Lock by himself.
He do everything, door no open.
So that be the attached
You
to
must
the
flush
When
out
they come,
first.
he stand there, they shout inside the toilet. Help! Somebody help me! I am stranded here. Meanwhile, in flight,
connective.
connecting flight, don't get like 2 hours. First of all, if first endure like 30 minutes, the whole thing is smelling. In the day, they find somehow.
I
My
know see
brother,
water.
I say sharp, as 30 minutes passing, no say, if in there, this plane will leave and go. Now I start to shout. Because they don't shout from the beginning, they expect themselves, say, I can, a whole
Fanga constituency.
come here, come embarrass himself. Say, now him begin shout. Help, oh, is there anybody there? Him come to knock the door, now one Oyibo wait there outside. Because what's the problem? This door has refused to open. The door will not open. So am I stuck here? Flush the toilet. Yeah, I cannot find where to flush it. When they tell us,
The way you get all that, they just say you don't get frustrated.
I see they tell us, we give us drink, they drink, they listen to it. So, but
They laugh at for him money.
the people are very stupid. Now I close my to hear who's stupid between him and the people. Now I cannot find where to flush now. Please call the cleaner. Not the cleaner. Cleaner don't even did there. Call the general manager of the whole airport, the whole GM of international airport. So the people will not kill us. So the guy said, look around. You see where there is a finger, 5 fingers on the wall. The guy can't look. Place your finger there. Now I say, he turn back. He dey see the finger since.
You don't understand. It's the grip and now wave video.
Thanks for using it.
Thanks for using.
Now he go look at. I say put your finger there. Now here, the whole toilet flush door open. Crack. I say true. Now he come out small. He look around because they been answer finish. Maybe now another African answer because many people don't go even.
Oh, you don't
go shout till you die there. The grace not to flush
They
toilet.
look to somebody is there they sick.
And can you imagine when they call the whole general manager of the airport?
It's a bit call and come. Oh God, people do.
Now, you just remind me when he said,
In the AC, I didn't tell you. The AC na screen. The thing just did not work now. Screen touch. I didn't call her. I think it's a decoration. Each one kill me. See which kind. And I saw the swear. I say, I beg. Make I call. If I dey call self, the reception they ring. Nobody they pick up. Now I come down. Say, what's happening? Your AC is not working. And the guy says it's working. And one guy follow me. I see enter just bring.
You can't say, I've been trying it, I've been doing like that.
No. joke. I said, I called you. I said, next time, tell people where your AC.
I got to shame no
let it talk.
You see, which kind of thing with this?
Habitat has AC with a house remote.
No, they
You cannot have such embarrassment.
No,
And that new side.
we never know what they want to do
Who
there.
might be doing something.
If it's just if you say na eye, they open eye, you don't go open your eye like this.
Eye, look
When
up.
the blinker, wink.
That kind of TV video, when I'm saying if you do hand like this, camera go change you.
Nah, smart TV.
For
No.
America,
Yeah,
they open up
and get them for
they-
Nigeria, yes.
When do they call this place? This Caleb. This guy, phones and gadgets.
okay.
He get out there.
Even
Friends never go down now,
your
hand.
hand. Attack your eye, they like this. As
When
you
I
look down, they go down.
my
So you
brother
look up,
room,
they go up.
we just watch something, just do hand like this.
Don't change.
The screen just move. Brrr. He say one watch African channel and just like brrr, the thing move. Brrr, go do the game like this. Move. Brrr, say yeah.
The one we see as you dey waka, they follow you. Those big ones, they in the wall. As you dey waka, you call na voice prompt. If you talk, BBC, the thing go put. If you call channel, they go tell you say this channel, please, we no get that.
Arrest TV.
Please,
We
we
know
have never
this.
heard of this.
No, you still no answer you. I say arrest you.
When you see I say for what? For what?
No. After you say, are you talking to me?
I know they hear you. All right.
You don't use Siri before. Siri for iPhone.
Hey, that's silly. That's a sweet.
Siri,
That
they
is
discuss. As you press
They converse with
and
you.
they talk. When you say Siri, how are you? They go say I'm fine.
Okay,
and
that
I'm going.
robot.
It's there for iPhone,
there for iPhone.
and iPad.
Okay.
All this China phone with this school link.
No, I don't.
May God help you 2018.
Amen.
So that you buy iPhone.
I don't want them.
Now we want to turn
Apple.
Apple. Let's move. What be time? We
Time
waste
Apple.
too much at one place.
Time of the time.
Crystal.
We want to turn Crystal Link.
Oh, Crystal Link.
Crystal Link, no be link. Oh.
And I will not they add air to that.
No,
Crystal
no,
Link.
Crystal Link.
Crystal and
Link. Number 5, Peter Ojili Road. Crystal Link Hotel, now our partners. We
Our
don't deal
partner.
with us. Now one of our partners. So.
Okay.
Now,
Yeah.
waiting day special about Crystal Link, you see, it gets swimming pool for second floor, and the pool not too big. So once in a while, and heat, not be say heat they worry you.
No, once in
You
a
just
while.
want to go relax inside water. You know, say people don't get jacuzzi and all that. They don't understand how it be.
Yes.
You can tell the girl upstairs there where they run that bar for all.
Say you want
So you just want to relax with your wife,
and they drink your drink.
and
inside
they
the
drink your
pool.
drink because the pool not too deep like that.
Yes.
Not too deep. No, only one side where feet cover your leg. I think 4 feet. Not deep. Nah, but it's a beautiful.
Very-
side.
From the swimming pool, you dey see people with the waka. They see everything.
You
wey
see
dey
a
happen.
second floor and it's everywhere.
Yes, they see everywhere.
So that place you go feel relax inside it.
Now only Dubai now don't see that kind of thing.
Dubai have a roof where all the
Yes,
pool
now
dey.
there they go copy that kind of life.
No, but it's
very
nice.
good. Now they tell you
And
it's
there's
very
a bar,
good.
their pool bar.
Some their pool they even maybe even on top the roof self. Maybe
Second
second
floor,
floor,
third
third floor
floor.
inside. They go dey like that.
Yeah.
But
So
one
we
problem
have-
for
so we
pool,
have
eh,
Dubai in
why they
Nigeria.
put pool, they will come put a bar and this thing for the side. If you look some of those Oyibo this thing, only the pool na pool. Later if you see now how many people they sell those soft drinks. Like everybody when come pool na drink. But Nigeria pool go there, they come put full bar for the side. People go come sit down there, they drink beer.
They watch
When they
the
make
swimmers.
hard for people to come swim. Now all those guys go they
Who tell you? Nigerian guys when they like to see people see them. Who you think say people when come swim they get money to buy. Now those people when they buy there and then go buy for them. Eh now.
So you swim finish as you look.
Just look and say,
buy drink.
will you
Come
join
and
me?
sit down
Will
here,
you join me here? Come and
Listen.
join me here.
2018, they think like this.
We go stop.
Uh,
We go
you
try.
You
change
have
your
to
thinking.
stop. You have to stop
Think
thinking like
well.
that.
You don't say those girls who they come swim there. Now hustling. It's easier for them because already they wear pants. So the men that will sit down, they drink
Around there.
will be viewing
And sizing.
and sizing.
Yes, at least before you
And
buy
hoping.
market.
And it go be like point and key because they enter water.
No, some
Before you buy
some come with
market.
their husbands and their boyfriends
There's no
and
be those
fiancés
ones.
and all that.
No be those ones.
Those ones don't go
Those ones don't go even inside.
Don't even think of it. But
Think
there are
less.
the hustlers. The hustlers are different. They come to swim. You don't want place for Port Harcourt. They are not our partners. We won't call them. But or you both they go there, go swim 4 a.m., 5 a.m. When they don't swim finish, they will come feel fresh, enter their motor. Mopo go carry them go for GRA. They get swimming pool, na bar. So this Crystal Lake who they talk. That swimming pool has chairs by the corner where you can sit.
Just relax.
Sometimes you don't even need to see who they swim. Just the water they there. You just sit down there, they drink your drink, they eat your dry meat, your pepper soup. You can even eat your gari and soup there. They cook very well there. Okay? Now their rooms are fine.
Very big rooms.
Very big
I don't know why they're big. That might turn an Ikore man.
No. Not an Ikore man.
No wonder. The rooms are big.
Chris, you know that Chris is not an Ikore man.
Okay.
The MD. He built big rooms.
He built according to standard.
With Wi-Fi working. Then they serve you. Their service is prompt. I will tell you, these are our partners. Today is their day.
Alright, and the place where to talk now, they Odili Road, number 5,
Peter Odili Road. Wonderful rooms. Then they get one hall where they do events. They might always do one award event every year, when they give out awards to stars and all that. Now
another one.
Well, Smile Wash.
Smile Wash. Jing, smile. Guys, we want to say a very big thanks to Smile Wash. Even as I talk now, I have a Ghana Must Go
of cloth.
No, of clothes, but now their own bag. They have their own laundry bag of clothes. They have never squeezed face. Say we bring here on Monday, we bring on Tuesday. And they're going to tell us, say, as you bring today, bring tomorrow. Wonderful place to wash.
Don't expose us as we carry cloth. Can you discuss the place?
No, I have to tell people so that they know that they are not just small people. What I'm telling you is that even that bag of laundry clothes, if you give them now, by 6:30 this evening, if you call you to say come carry your clothes.
And no be espresso.
They know they charge you for espresso.
They wash
normal service.
They wash.
If you carry a big bag go this morning, if I one man don't tell me say the cloth where you supposed wear go the wedding, they tell me they wear white with he no get. He no say white. They just say bring him and say Jesus. Now he call run go Smile Wash. Give them the cloth around 9 o'clock. Say before 11:30, they don't call and say come collect your. You just tell them say I won't wear this cloth for wedding. Before 11:30, they don't call and say come carry your cloth. You reach there, the cloth they ironed inside. Aye.
They shine anyhow.
And they know they even traveling bag. People they carry bag, they all those, but don't put your bag inside carry motor dirty. Give Smile Wash, they wash them for you.
Then they wash clean. They even revitalize cloth.
If you say you want,
we don't die
on them.
If you say you want make starch, they your clothes. They go put starch so they only the cloth if you waka. You know where I'm just hand put her like this.
But if you don't want,
you don't put her.
Go put her. They are normal. If you say normal, then go wash and put small starch for the normal one.
So
and they wash anything.
They wash.
One time mistakenly put boxer for my laundry bag. How come they find the boxer? Because I mean they normally wash my boxers and my briefs, my boxer, my singlet. I don't know how they put them mistakenly inside there. Then my son go put them inside.
That's a mistake.
My brother, I find the boxer. Oh, I can't leave. I say maybe my madam don't carry him to go wash. When I go to collect the clothes, lo and behold, the boxer they iron and put up for one special waterproof. The waterproof are transparent. Lovely. So since then, I became tempted
to put another one.
But I don't.
I will try it. I want to see the nylon.
It's not right. Compare the boxer to the laundry.
Okay, we are bringing boxers to you. So we are bringing boxers, but they are also wonderful people.
They are wonderful people.
The girls there.
The first girl don't born.
Yes.
She don't come back to
wonderful
work.
Baby. Yes.
And Chinaza. Second girl.
Yes, and also even the wife, once in a while, they did there. We say thank you to you for being wonderful people. Wonderful. They are inside.
Whether anybody like them or not, Funky 4 confirms Smile Wash as the best laundry South.
Pakam.
They got award.
Pakam.
Now
and they are on Oji Road, Perekule Junction. There's that Service and Smiles Hotel. That is where they are operating from.
Wonderful place. Come to your house, do pick up your clothes, wash, finish, return for you.
Don't look
at their price. Now same
price.
Very small.
Don't look at it. Say okay, this way off is small. This way don't be. It's not by size.
If you see work,
if you not by size,
we are confirming it.
Thank you very much.
And people that have confirmed are confirming to us that yes,
the confirmation was confirmed.
It's one partner that we have that they believe so much because that was when we get one partner before. When we been there, when we start working for early.
Oh boy.
That should be like 10 years ago.
Anytime we people go the partners, they come
Okay.
call. Then of course they call. Una dey mad o. Una dey crazy so.
She don't know hotel and stay for a partner like this.
Hotel where we say if you sleep for the bed, you stay inside for morning, you go see yourself inside the toilet.
So we've stopped some quality
Partnership, yes. Yeah.
So
Also we have Gigasec Security, wonderful security people. When it comes to security, cameras, wiring,
tracking.
car tracking, human trafficking,
don't be tracking in grace.
human tracking,
Human tracking. If you want to, you can track
your drivers,
drivers.
your vehicle,
They track
even your children. You can track them.
Just put the thing.
If you say, they say, Mommy, I want to go to see Chioma, just hang the thing for back of their shirt. You know, be there,
They go.
come baby. You say, hey, Chioma, where are you?
You can track, and again, there's what they call sensor.
Okay.
For houses where no get electric wire,
Yes.
they get what they call body sensor. They can put it in your fence around your house. They will come your house, come do something.
No talk the security.
When they put the sensor, then one monkey from nowhere
Come climb.
come climb, say one jump down. Since they jump down, go here, alarm where you no go know where the alarm they come from. So there are a lot of security things that Gigasec can do.
Different cameras.
Cameras for your house. You can be viewing your cameras from anywhere, your house from anywhere you are.
Yeah.
So they are our partners, and they've been faithful. They've been nice. They've been wonderful.
tried
They are
house.
on Ordnance Road in Transamadi. That's where their office is.
Yeah, we have the
Jide,
NK, Kechi,
and
the team.
the team.
Thank you very
The
much.
team of them.
I've just
That is
finished.
for Gigasec.
Okay, we have
Which one?
Prosco Car Care. Well, we have 10 minutes. Prosco Car Care have been wonderful also. They are on Aba Road, opposite road safety, taking care and washing the cars, servicing the cars, and all, making sure that our cars are fit for the road. We say a very big thank you to Prosco Car Care. Merci beaucoup. Who again have remained?
No. Finish. Talk Prosco, the mad, their machine, the IB.
Yes, they have one car, one machine.
Wizard 4.
Wizard, yes, where they wash motor by itself. You go first vacuum am, remove all the sand. Then as you pass the motor inside it, one go first do wiri. You go pour.
You go pour for the bottle.
Well, pour for the bottle soap where they call grease, anti-grease. Then that one go waka go. Then go pour another one where they call soap to wash. Go waka go there. Go pour last soap to wash the car 3 times, and under 9 minutes. This is not reach 9 minutes, 4 minutes. Your car is ready.
No. So guys, if you tell me they don't rush.
No, if na the wizard wash am. Wizard time na less than 4 minutes.
You use wizardry.
Wizard,
There's
yes.
nothing a
You
wizard.
just go like this, come back, go front, come back. By the time you go the 3rd time, your car is ready to drive out.
And apart
So-
from that, their mechanic division, they
Wonderful.
get look Kakena motor. They've been thief a catalyst.
Okay.
As in don't change at one place 9,000 no work. You can go with the Prosco. And then take their hand, do make Kakena catalyst. You're talking from experience. We know they promote.
We know
people.
we know the partner rough people.
So till today, Kakena motor normal.
Yeah.
Any part where Prosco change for you, my brother, is permanent.
The one thing about them is say when they paint, when they spray your
When
car,
they spray your car,
you go argue. You go argue say this motor na Tokumbo
Tear rubber.
na tear
Na tear
rubber.
rubber.
And they tell you.
Then they bake the motor.